Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Really clean box. I like it. Really good optimal port area. So that's why it was tuned, maybe playing a little bit the way it did. Nice. The bandwidth's probably what, mid 20s to 40s, or what is it like the most, you think?
I'd say about 36. 36 is probably where I'm at.
The best period for the loudest?
Yeah. It can hurt you a little bit in there.
Oh yeah. Yes sir. Nice. Thank you for showing me, man. Looks really good.
No problem, man. I wish I had the other two in there.
It's all right.
The bad thing is I got these two recombed. The other two blue.
Oh, so recone 2, the other 2 blue, and you had to get those? Okay, yeah. Yeah. You must have been clipping. Oh yeah, you were clipping them.
Cause I was running off the factory alternator for a while. And the amps,
they were sending dirty power.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but you were jamming, it was fun. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm gonna look under the hood too, if that's all right. Okay. Thank you. Hey, how you doing, man?
Oh, man.
While I was walking by, I figured I'd come stop and see it. Oh.
Okay.
So, what's your name and what's in here, man?
All right, my name's Ronnie Boyd. At the time, I got 2 XV2 15s and 2 American-based XFL 15s.
Okay.
2 terms, base 8Ks.
Nice.
I got two X's being recom, didn't get done before the show, so I had to throw those
All right. Yeah, it works though, man.
Oh yeah, I made it.
Nice. And are they, is both of the amps at 1 ohm?
Half on.
Oh, so a half ohm each. Okay, yeah. Got it. All right.
Half
Nice.
on. Got a 400 amp alternator up front. Currently running 2 AGM batteries, but
Okay.
waiting on my 120 amp hour C-Max.
All right.
to be built. But
Who built the box?
my friend Adam at MIG in Gaffney.
Okay.
But she's here at the show too.
Yes, sir.
But she did that Tahoe right there.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Do you know anything about the box, cubic space, or tuning?
I know it's tuned 32. How many cubes exactly? I don't know.
It's all good. Ooh, it's a hot day out today. Oh yeah.
I follow you on Facebook.
Okay.
I mean, on YouTube.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you watching. Thank you, man.
Oh, yeah,
And this is nice. I know you said once you get the other subs, you probably think it'll play a little bit better with the box.
Yeah, when I had them in before, it was my lows was totally different. I mean, I lost a little lows with them two subs.
Yeah.
Then once I get the C-Max, I can go with them damping.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir. That's right. Yeah, your voltage was dropping to like high 11s. Yeah. Anything below 12.6, I kind of worry, but
Yeah, I worry about
you got it to work.
This video is sponsored by NVX, and today I have a high-quality component speaker system set to show you. The X series from NVX, two-way, 6.5-inch size with a power handling of 600 watts peak power or 300 watts RMS per set. Lightweight carbon fiber cone material and rubber speaker surround. The woofer speaker has a ferrite magnet motor structure with a frequency response between 42 Hz and 21,000 Hz. The dome tweeters have a neo magnet, and this is actually called the XQ-S65 kit.
Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. I just like to know everything. Appreciate it. All right. Yeah, tuned a little higher, yeah. Yes, sir. I appreciate the demo, man.
Oh, no problem.